Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to teach you how to install the editor so that you can continue your coding with HTML and CSS. So see, we have many editors in the market. So firstly we have to decide for what purpose we need the editor. Is it for web designing or for front-end development or for full stack development? Like for web designing we can consider the light-weighted editor like Node++ or Submarine or Brackets. If you are considering for front-end development or full stack development, then you can go with the Visual Studio or WebStorm. So for front-end development and full stack development, we need terminal. And in Visual Studio and WebStorm, we have inbuilt terminal to work on. So like if we are working with Node.js, then we need terminal for that. So here I will install Visual Studio Code. I have already opened this window in Google where I have searched Visual Studio Code download. So we have to mention our operating system as well. Let's click on the link. After clicking on the link, we are landed to this page. We have options for Windows, we have this Linux, we have Mac. So we can download according to our operating system. And since I have already downloaded and installed in my laptop, I can just instruct, like you can click here, it will get downloaded here. For example, you are clicking here, you are getting this page, and along with that it is getting downloaded here. You have to do double click here. After double click, it will automatically start installing. You just have to tick on the options as per your requirements. Install the editor. Let's begin the coding. In the middle of the coding, I will teach you the interview questions and answers which are asked frequently. So this is how Visual Studio looks like. We can go to File, New File, and we can close this. So in the beginning of HTML, we always have to write one syntax, which is doctype HTML. This is a very important syntax. Doctype in HTML. We are frequently asked many interview questions related to it. All HTML documents must start with a doctype declaration, as I said. The declaration is not an HTML tag, but it's a statement. Doctype stands for document type declaration. It informs the web browser about the type and version of HTML used in building the web document. This helps the browser to handle and load it properly. So if we write doctype HTML, which stands for HTML5, the browser will understand that we want the browser to know that we have coded it in HTML5 version. Doctype HTML is the syntax for HTML5, as I said earlier. After doctype, we have to give HTML tag. Within that we have to code entire document like this. This is the closing tag, you remember? In last video I had taught you. So the entire web page which you view is basically inside this tag. Then give head tag, within which you can give title and add CSS links. And title we can give like this. Always write in a very semantic way so that it looks better, good, and it doesn't make you confused. This contains the main content, that is why it is called body. This is the structure of HTML which is fixed. You have to do every time you are making a HTML page. Apart from this, Whatever you code can be changed, those are flexible. For example, if here I write h1, h1 is another tag. So this can be changed because this is not the structure of HTML. We can change it, we can write anything. It's not necessary that we have to write h1 and we have to give the heading as tutorial. We can even write paragraph instead of this. Within the paragraph tag we can write a sentence like this. We also have one more feature in HTML which is called comment. This is basically you can use in two ways. One way, if the code is too big, or I think that's a good practice, we can write like this. This is the syntax of commenting in HTML. Here I am writing starting body. This is for understanding that what you have done, because many times we have a lengthy code, and many times when you are working in a company, sometimes you are passing your project to some other person, or you are getting project from some other person. So you need to understand what exactly the person has done there. So if we are commenting and we are writing for explaining, this is the explanation that I have done this and now my body is starting. Then here before the end of body tag I can again comment and write end of body. This is a very good practice. This is a very good practice because even if you are working with it after few days of break, you come back to the code and you don't understand what you have done there, and there's nobody to help you out because you are the person who have coded there. So this commenting is also a important part. And always remember the syntax. The syntax goes like the angle bracket, then there's exclamation mark, you write something, then again this two hash and close bracket. You can check this by saving your file. Always save your file with the extension of HTML. Now see, after saving you can see the changes in the color. This is my tags, so it is in blue color. This is my content, title and paragraph, so this is in white, and this is the comment. See, it is in green color. So now let's check the file which we have saved. See, this is the result of that file. You can see the title, my first tutorial. This is the title, and this is the paragraph which we wrote within the body tag. This is my tutorial. You can check the code once again. This is the end of this tutorial. In the another video we will learn some more tags of HTML. Thank you.